Hello. I just got home from work. Am I yelling? I just got home and I decided to do a photo shoot at home. The whole day at work I was listening to this playlist and it gave me a lot of ideas. I just have to find a way of doing it. Everything in this style is very like natural light, summer vibes, and we don't have any of those things. Like, it's sunny now, but by the time I'm ready to shoot, it's gonna be dark. So I have to adapt it to not natural light. This is my shirt of the day. This is real. This is how I feel most days. But yeah, I'm gonna eat first. Fix my nails because they broke. I'm gonna show a picture now, but one broke, two actually, and then now I had to like get rid of all of them. Just start over. I did my eyebrows 2 years. I did my eyebrows 2 days ago, and I'm thinking of cutting a bit of my bangs just to, because they're too long, and since I have curly hair I can have a lot of like different styles. Me personally, because I like, it doesn't, my hair is not heavy, so it doesn't look long ever, even though it is, but curly, like, it always stays here. If I do layers, it's over for me. So to change things, I always have to do something with my bangs. And even though I said I wasn't gonna cut my bangs anymore, I will do part of it, not the whole thing, just like in the middle, and then keep the long parts because we're not risking it again. This is the top I'm wearing. Now I'm gonna do the bangs. My hair needs help. To fix curly hair, you have to wash it again, and that's not gonna happen today. So we'll just work with this. Beautiful. Oh my god, pray for me. I think I'm gonna do this one shorter, and then I'll keep these because I don't want to be crying about it later. I hope it looks fun. It looks good enough, I guess. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. These are the only scissors I have, so. Let's do the other side now. Oh, did I do the... Oh well. This is gonna go up for sure. Now I'll do the other side. Okay, these two need to be together, otherwise they're gonna look too different. This one has to be just a bit. Please, Jenny, don't be... I'll do one more. That's enough. Now let's see what we can do with this. All right, here it is. Now I'm gonna do the rest of the hairstyle. So this looks better. It took me 100 years, but I did 2 lessons. I don't think this is for me, to be honest. But it looks cool. I'll take pictures today and probably never wear them again. No, I'm kidding. I probably will, but it's a lot of work. And I got stressed because the lens just went to my, like, behind my eyelids, and I thought I was gonna die. Stress. No makeup, and then... We're almost done. I am not following a specific reference. I'm just adding stuff. I don't know if I add blush. And also, I don't know which lipstick to wear. Okay, makeup is done. Now I'm gonna take pictures and hopefully I remain patient. because every time I do a photo shoot by myself, I get angry real fast and then I give up on the pictures. That always happens. So the look is cute. Now I just need it to look good in the photos. Let's see what happens. I just did an outfit video and now I'm gonna take pictures. What I have to do now is put the backdrop. I think I'm gonna use my projector to put a picture up, but I'm gonna use the same backdrop for everything just to like reflect the light so my face is lit up. But then I'll try to put a picture with the projector. Let's see if that works. Let's test the projector. I'm trying to make it work. I had to like convert the photo so it would work. But now I'm starting to get mad. So that's not good. Oh, damn it. Like it keeps doing that. It keeps working and not working. I don't know why. Alright, I made it work. After 100 years, here it is. I'm gonna try to make this work. I still have to use this one for myself. I don't know if that's gonna erase part of the background, but let's see how that works. Well, this is something. Whew. It took a while, but now we're gonna start taking pictures. I don't have a high place to put the projector, so apparently it's gonna be on my face. But I'll turn the light on and see if something changes here. Hopefully, like this is cool, but I just want to know if with the light the background is gonna still be visible. I'll figure it out. This is how I'm trying to see if it's working or not. Okay, let's try a few photos. Finally. Oh, this hurts. Taking pictures by yourself is a whole workout. This is where I see how the pictures are looking. This is a workout. I'm tired. Oh my god. Oh my god. I took a lot of photos with my phone. It's really hard just to talk a lot when I'm filming by myself. So just like the other video that I did by myself, there's probably not a lot going on. But I think I'm gonna take some more phone pictures. Just keep looking at me while I show the rest of the ones that I took. Before we go, I don't have a photocard right now. Whoops. You know what? I'll find one. Oh god. I just know that tomorrow everything is gonna hurt, especially my legs. Oh my god. Everything hurts already, and it's just gonna get worse. This was the closest one to me. So this is the photocard of the day. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. It took more time to figure out how I was gonna do this background than actually taking pictures. But I also just take pictures for a short time when it's just me, because I get bored easily and stressed. I don't like doing everything at the same time. So maybe I'll just do another outfit video since the makeup looks good, and with an outfit that I already wore for a photo shoot. So I'm not gonna do a photo shoot with it, just an outfit video. And I think that's it. It's not late, but I don't want to do this anymore. So I hope you enjoy the pictures, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, that's so YouTuber of me. I hated that. Anyway, bye. I ended up taking some pictures with this outfit because I love it. And the makeup and the hair look so cool. So I'll just put them here. Like, I've had this dress for a long time, but where am I gonna wear this? Did I just buy it just to buy it? Yes. but it's great for photos. Anyway, I did the second outfit video as well, and some TikToks and stuff like that. This hair, I need to wear this tomorrow to work. Hell yeah, I think I can't sleep like this, so anyway, I'll make it work.